Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Stripe to Odoo. This is a quick setup, but it's an important one if you want to start accepting online payments through your Odoo system. Connecting Stripe allows you to link your payment provider directly inside Odoo, so payment processing can work more smoothly with your sales flow. By connecting Stripe, businesses can provide customers with a reliable and widely used payment option, while keeping payment management connected with their existing Odoo workflow. This can help reduce manual steps and make it easier to manage online transactions from one place. I'll walk you through the process clearly, so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your Odoo dashboard and go to the Sales app. Once you're inside Sales, look toward the top left area of the screen for the Configuration menu. The Sales app contains many important settings related to customer orders and payment processes. The Configuration section is where you can access the tools needed to manage and connect external payment providers. Click on Configuration, and from the available options, select Payment Providers. This section is where Odoo lets you manage and activate the different payment services that can be connected to your system. The Payment Providers area works as the central location for controlling which payment methods are available for your customers. From here, you can add, activate, or manage different payment gateways depending on your business requirements. When the Payment Providers page opens, you'll see a list of available providers. Here, find Stripe. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct provider, especially if you have several payment options visible. If your Odoo system has multiple payment providers installed, choosing the correct one is important because each provider connects to a different payment account and payment workflow. Once you locate Stripe, click Install. This tells Odoo that you want to enable Stripe as one of your payment methods. Installing Stripe allows Odoo to prepare the necessary settings and create the connection points between your Odoo account and your Stripe payment account. After you click Install, Odoo will prompt you to connect your Stripe account. At this stage, you'll need to log in using your Stripe credentials, so the connection can be completed successfully. Make sure you're signing in to the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage more than one. For example, some businesses use separate Stripe accounts for different websites, brands, or regions. Connecting the wrong account could cause payments to be processed through the wrong business profile. It's also a good idea to complete this step carefully and allow all necessary permissions so Odoo can communicate properly with Stripe. These permissions allow Odoo to securely exchange the required information with Stripe and ensure that payment transactions can be processed correctly. Once you've logged in and finished the connection process, that's it. Stripe is now connected to Odoo. After the connection is complete, your Odoo system can use Stripe as an available payment provider for your online sales process. This means customers can have a smoother checkout experience, while your business can manage payments more efficiently. From there, you can continue with any additional configuration inside your payment settings if needed, but the main connection itself is complete. You may want to review additional settings, such as payment availability, transaction options, or customer payment preferences, depending on how you want Stripe to work inside your Odoo setup. As a quick tip, after connecting the account, it's always worth checking that the provider appears active in your payment providers list. That helps confirm the installation and connection worked as expected. This quick verification step can prevent future payment issues, because you'll know the provider has been successfully enabled before customers start using it. If something doesn't connect right away, simply go back through the same path in Sales and review the setup screen to make sure the login step was completed properly. Sometimes connection problems happen because of incorrect login details, missing permissions, or an incomplete setup step. Reviewing the configuration page usually helps identify where the issue occurred. And that's all it takes to connect Stripe to Odoo. It's a very short process, but getting it set up correctly can save time and make your payment workflow much more efficient. Once you understand where the payment providers section is located, adding or managing other payment services in Odoo becomes much easier. Thanks for following along, and you can now connect Stripe confidently whenever you need it.